Welcome back to our channel, where we showcase stunning architecture and construction projects that define modern living. Today, we are at an incredible location to explore another masterpiece by Grand Jyothi Construction. This fully completed project, built on a 27 by 44 site, is more than just a house, it's a dream home. With its contemporary G+2.5 structure and beautifully designed exterior, this house is truly a work of art. Let's take a closer look. This modern house immediately catches your eye with its elegant facade. The combination of neutral tones, textured cladding, and clean lines creates a sophisticated look. The large glass windows and the perfectly proportioned balconies add to its contemporary charm. As we step inside, you'll notice this floor includes a parking area, a multi-purpose room, and ample storage. Perfect for both functionality and convenience. The attention to detail here ensures that every square foot is optimized, making the most of the 27 by 44 dimensions. Moving up to the first floor, you're greeted by a spacious living hall with a double-height ceiling. This design feature not only adds grandeur, but also allows natural light to flood the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Adjacent to the living hall, kitchen area is customized by owner choice, and work will done after a few days. It will be coming with fully equipped with top-notch fittings and smart storage solutions. The open layout ensures seamless interaction with the living space, making it perfect for hosting and day-to-day living. This floor also features a beautifully designed bedroom with an attached bathroom. The use of premium materials and functional design ensures comfort and privacy. This floor also features a beautifully designed bedroom with an attached bathroom. The use of premium materials and functional design ensures comfort and privacy. In addition to the bedrooms, this floor also includes a cozy family room where you can relax, watch TV, or enjoy some quiet time. The space is thoughtfully designed to foster quality family moments. Let's not forget the balcony space. This area is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or creating a small garden oasis. The third floor adds a unique feature, a fully independent 2 BHK flat. This rental unit includes a living room, a compact kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom, making it an ideal option for generating rental income or accommodating guests. The terrace offers a large open space with endless possibilities. Whether it's for hosting parties, setting up a rooftop garden, or simply enjoying the view, this area is a fantastic addition to the house.